Hey, we're on an adventure and we're gonna find some gold today.
Are you kidding me, dude? Guys, I literally hit the mother lode again.
What's going on, guys? This is Protaz from Protaz Adventures. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button to follow me on more epic adventures. Let's get in the video. So there's a lot of berries here. I don't know if anybody knows what these are. These are like salmon berries or something. And I don't know if they're edible. Somebody tell me if these are edible.
They look like raspberries, but they're not.
I'm literally in a forest right now, trying to get to my spot. And I have no idea where I'm going, but I'm taking an alternate route here, trying to not get whacked in the face. Oh man, it's getting crazy now. I hear the river. What was that? I think I'm almost there. All right, found a path. Let's follow the path. It's definitely a hot day today, I'll tell you that. It's really muggy too, but hey, we're on an adventure and we're gonna find some gold today. So I'm pretty pumped about that. Every time I get a chance to go, I'm trying to sneak out and go, but just life priorities, you know, errands, chores, things just get out of hand if you're just gonna party every day. So you gotta stay focused, you gotta do all your stuff first. And then when you have the spare time and you're not tired, send it. And that's what I did today. I sent it and I'm going on this adventure. I saw some more people here, which is kind of interesting to see. It's about 92 Fahrenheit right now where I'm at, and it's pretty hot. A lot of people are curious, so they're out trying to get exploring themselves and cool off. So we might run into some people at the river, but that's all right. Where we're going, I think there won't be any people, and we'll just check it out and see what we could find. I'm trying to go deep into the trenches, find my honey hole from last time, pan for some moss, try it ×2, and see if I actually get any more gold. What's going on, everybody? Back at the river today. Look what I found. My spoon from last time. Looks like the river dried up a little bit since the last time I was out here. But the moss is looking real good. So I got a whole barrel of moss here. It's pretty dry stuff. I used to be able to pan in here, but it kind of dried up. Maybe I still can a little bit. So I'm trying to separate the moss and the dirt. It's going pretty good. Make a little moss stew here. I got this 1/18 of an inch classifier this time, and that's going to really help me move more material through my pan and help me separate my precious metals from my dirt. I'm going to go ahead and pan this and see what we find. No gold. So, judging by the line I tried last time, I think some of the gold was in this area here. So I'm gonna try this area again to see if I can find some more gold for you guys. I'm actually seeing a lot of like micro gold just within the material I'm touching right now, which is actually cool to see. It's all up in here. It's definitely in the moss. It can be trapped in a lot of these crevices in the rocks. So you gotta be careful by scooping it up and not losing any of that gold material. So right in between these rocks here is where the honey hole material came from last time. I'm pretty certain that this is going to be a good gold spot. No better feeling than being at the river when it's 92 degrees out, panning for gold, adventuring, having fun, filming. Pretty sure that this pan will definitely have gold because I saw a lot of silver deposits. I found some quartz. So I'm very hopeful and really excited about this one for sure. All right, so I've classified all the material and I can kind of just look through this and safely say, hey, there's quartz in here. Like I was telling you guys, it's very promising. I could just get rid of the stuff because I know there's no big gold that big in here. Maybe there is, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure there isn't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pan this pan here and we'll see if there's any gold. There's so much black sand I see. All right, guys, we have found some gold. It's not a lot, but it's here, and I gotta continue digging because I know that big nugget's in there. I found one last video, and I'm certain there's gonna be another few in there. Has to be, because the ground is too good not to have gold, and it looks really promising. So I'm gonna show you guys right now what I found. This is the second pan. Hopefully you guys can see the gold there. I'm trying my best to show you guys better. I know a lot of the videos you can't really see the gold, so I'm really trying to step up my game and show you guys. I probably need to get a better camera, but that's the gold I found right there, and I hope you guys can see it well. I'm like a kid in a candy store, man. I'm loving this. Trying to dig behind the boulders where I think gold might be trapped, and so far we saw some gold, so I'm going to continue doing that, and hopefully we come up with some good gold. Kind of awesome that I left this thing out here last time. I came back like nothing happened, picked up where I'm at, and I'm continuing to find gold. So that's awesome. Got my little spatula back. It's a $10 save right there. Notice when I'm editing, I'm not seeing the gold as good, so I'm hopefully going to be trying a better method so then you guys can actually see the gold that I'm actually finding. Also a lot of like flies here. I don't know if I'm just sweaty or what. I didn't shower today, boys, so it's not me. Now I'm getting really behind this rock here, so I'm thinking a lot of gold might have been lodged in here, and we'll see what happens when I pan. Looks like I need a pickaxe for this. I'll have to get some real tools. I was trying to gold pan and be successful for under like 50 bucks. So far it's been pretty successful. My pan was 10 bucks. This shovel was 10 bucks. The pan came with a little sniffer bottle. I bought a magnifying glass, which was $4.99 on Amazon. I got the classifier for 17 bucks. So I'm right around the $50 mark, and really any bag, any backpack, just throw it in and go to any river and just start panning and trying to figure it out. So under 50 bucks, it's possible, and it's definitely possible to find gold. You just gotta continue panning and freaking figuring it out. We'll grab this, we'll head out to the water and do another pan. Once again, I'm seeing a lot of quartz in here, a lot of quartz bits. Kind of look through here, make sure there's no insane balls of gold. Guys, we got some gold again. Man, that spot is awesome. So, we got some more gold, guys. That's pretty awesome to see. We got a little speck in the corner there and two like flake style gold pieces. So that's cool, kind of similar to the other pan we saw. I'm gonna show you guys exactly where I'm digging now, so you guys could kind of see some digging behind this rock here. And that's where I'm kind of seeing my gold. So I'm gonna continue digging down here all the way around this rock and seeing if I can find more gold. But this moss has proven to be killer, and this spot has been really good. So honestly, this is the jackpot hole, because I'm sure there's more gold scattered through here. And the river's super low, so usually this is all covered. The river doesn't come up till the end of the year, so I'm pretty excited about that, and I have plenty of content to make here. Oh yeah, dude, that is crazy. Let me show you guys.
Are you kidding me, dude? Guys, I literally hit the mother lode again.
And I hope you guys see those pieces. That is some nice quality gold right there, boys. Hell yeah. Let's see if I can get my magnifying glass on it. Dang. I am so pumped right now. Second time out in the honey hole, and look at that piece of gold. It even makes a sound like the last one. All right, guys, we found some gold today. It was an exciting day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end it here. I gotta go home, take care of a couple things, so I can't really pan anymore. And I'm leaving my honey hole, but we're leaving it on a positive note. Subscribe down below if you guys are new. Stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly what I got. And I'm gonna be comparing those two nuggets that I found from the earlier day and today. We'll see which one's bigger. All right, guys, I got home. I separated the gold, and that's all the gold I found today. It's a good amount of gold, I'd say. This is all the gold I found the other day. And I wanted to just compare sizes with that big chunker I found, see if it's bigger. I'm hoping it's bigger, but this one kind of just sounds bigger. All right, so this is the piece from a few days ago, and this is the piece from today. It's sad to say, but the piece from the other day is bigger than this one, but that really doesn't matter because it's all gold, and we're on the gold, and we're on the gold train, so we're gonna be hitting the honey hole a lot and seeing if we can find and produce more gold. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.